Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back with a new recipe. Today we're making a side dish for chapati or roti. This is a paneer mix veg sabji. Super easy to make. Ingredients list is given in the description box, so do check it out. And I've got lots of such paneer recipes on my channel, as well as some sabji recipes as well. So please do subscribe and click the bell for more details. So let's jump into the recipe. On medium-high flame, I've got some oil and butter heating in a pan, into which I'm adding cumin seeds and browning it. Once it's brown, I'm adding in finely chopped onions and green chilli. Now we'll saute the onions until they change color slightly. That's going to take a few seconds. Then we add in ginger garlic paste to this. Now we'll cook the ginger garlic paste until it leaves its raw smell. Once that's done, I'm adding in turmeric powder and pav-bhaji masala. You can adjust the spice levels according to your taste. So I'm going to saute all the masalas nicely before adding in the chopped tomato. Now we'll saute the tomato as well, and we need to cook it until it's soft and the masalas are done and oil oozes out. So I'm also going to add some salt to help the tomatoes cook faster. Now let's mix and wait for the masalas to cook. Once the masala is done, you add in blanched cauliflower, carrot and green peas. I've blanched it for 10 minutes in hot water. Now I'm going to just mix it with the masala. We're also going to add some deep fried potato cubes into this. I've also fried paneer and kept it aside, that we'll add later. So mix the potato also with the masala and cook for some time. So the veggies and potato are half done. We just need to cook them further on. To help with the cooking process, I'm going to add a little bit of hot water to this mixture and let it cook nicely. So now I'm going to add some tomato ketchup to this. This gives a very different taste to the sabji. We'll also add in some chopped capsicum. Toss everything together. Saute it for a few more minutes. If you want a little bit of gravy, you can add a little more water, or if you want to keep it dry, you can do that too. Now it's time to add the fried paneer to this. Mix it well and let it soak in all the goodness. I'm going to cook it further for 2 minutes. Once ready, just add some coriander leaves on top and our simple sabji is ready to be served with roti or paratha. So do try this recipe at home and let me know in the comment section. I'll see you next time with a new recipe. Until then, bye-bye.